Hello everybody. Well, we're doing something electrical here. This is the right rear window regulator in my Hummer H2. It went bad. It kind of broke itself there. R for right. I think it uncoiled. The window went all the way down and it wouldn't go back up. So let's take this thing apart. 10 millimeter. Cotty's gonna investigate. Yeah, the Chinese regulators are noisy. So I always use metric bolts. So I'm a pack rat. So let's see what we get here. Let's take this thing all the way apart. See how much salvageable stuff is on here. Motor's interesting. There's not going to be much in it. I'm just going to get my clippers. I left them in the other room. So audio's good. I want to knock those down. That would bite. Okay. Plate. Motor gear. Not much to these, but they do break. Wonder if that motor gear would fit on the cheap Chinese replacements. Huh. But yeah, what failed on this? There you go. Yeah, it looks like that clip, but on that side failed, and it looks like it's been rubbing and riding in the channel. And we got broken plastic here. Yeah, it's broken there. Didn't really need the clippers. There's the track. I didn't see anybody take these apart yet, so they're not that expensive. They're only $50, $60. Let's see if I can unclip this. I'm not going for salvageable. I'm just going for tear it apart. There you go. Yeah, just flip that up. Yeah, it looks like it's coiled. Looks like we got some damage right there. Yep. Damage. So what else is we take apart? See that gear. I don't do automotive unless I have to for myself. So got a spring. Another spring. Yeah, not getting that off. Yeah, we'll just cut that. Here's another piece. Tube. We're taking this to bits. Why not, right? Take that tube off. It's content. There's sleeve. This all goes in the trash. Start throwing in the trash. It's all garbage. I will save springs and bolts. Just verify all the pieces. You've seen them all. Yeah, it basically bound up. That was the failure. Should we take this apart? Now the motor worked. I'll leave the motor. Or should we take it apart? Yeah, I got a T20 here. Looks about a T20. Let's see what's... That's a Bosch, Mexico. I can't see. Looks like this box might be sealed. It's probably just a worm gear in there. Oop, nope. Yeah, that whole motor comes apart. With a worm gear. Those are brushes. Yeah, that's definitely not serviceable. But interesting. And getting that back in there. Have to put this on. Let's see, we'd have to get a small screwdriver. Get those brushes. I might see if this motor still works, I don't know. I pack rat too much stuff, man. Yeah, well, these brushes are probably just ruined a good motor. But yeah, it looks like that's sealed. Not gonna see what's inside there, but that's cool. Well, that was the teardown of a GM right rear or Hummer H2 right rear window regulator. Have a good day. If you like this content, like and subscribe, and let's give Cotty some cookies. Here's Cotty cookies. Here's Cotty some cookies. She was a good girl. Definitely give Cotty likes. Catch y'all later.